Hey guys, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. Let's make some smooth, creamy keto caramel with a shine that won't crystallize. It will stay creamy and will become stretchy when added to ice cream. You can also use this recipe for your keto frappuccino. The possibilities are endless. In a bowl, add in the heavy cream and sprinkle on the gum arabic and gore gum. Let sit for 5 minutes on the counter. Using a heavy bottom saucepan, add in the allulose and butter. Cook until dissolved over medium heat. Brown the butter and allulose, whisking slowly to combine. Avoid burning. Add in the sea salt and English toffee liquid sweetener. Pour in the heavy cream and gum mixture, scraping the sides of the bowl. Cook the mixture until it thickens and turns a deep amber color. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Transfer the keto caramel sauce to a glass jar and allow it to cool before storing it in the fridge. It will thicken as it cools. To make the second version, skip the butter and change the quantity of the heavy cream and the allulose to 3/4 cups. All other ingredients and process is the same. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. To support me on Patreon, check out my Patreon page. Details are included below.